I am Nandini. I'm a master's student in IIT Hyderabad, and I'm here to present the talk on reducing the computational complexity of region info pass. So, what are regions? So, here we are interested in identifying the refined regions. So, what are refined regions? So, you have a CFG and a sub part of a CFG or a sub graph of a CFG, which is like this, which has multiple entry, multiple exit, and a unique entry and a unique exit block. And an entry and an exit can be formed by merging the multiple entry edges and adding a dummy node to the subgraph. So this is a representation of a refined regions. So why regions? Why are we interested in these regions? Because if a region satisfies some properties, it can be optimized without affecting the other parts of the CFG. So regions are cool because you can use it in like static control parts in Poly. You can use it in AMD GPU backends. And once you construct the region tree, you can use divide and conquer algorithms to run parallel stuff. So what is the problem? Currently in LLVM, the region info pass identifies all the refined regions, and the region pass, it traverses and iterates over all the regions. So the problem is that the region info pass uses the dominance frontier. As you can see in the figure, the dominance frontier pass is the blue one, and it's quadratic. So because of this, the regions pass, which is the green one, is also quadratic. While the other passes like DOM tree and post-DOM tree, these information come to us in a linear time. So this is a drawback because regions passes using the information of dominance frontier, it's also quadratic. So we propose an algorithm in as you can see, this graph was for ladder graphs, which is a corner case. It does not arise practically, but this is still a corner case which may arise. So we try to fix this by having the information which is available to us linearly. So the algorithm goes like this. You have a subgraph, entry and an exit. You pass the entry and exit to the isRegin function, and you identify whether it's a region or not by having these checks. So the red marks, they indicate these edges are not allowed to have it to be a refined region. So you can see that if there is an edge coming from above the region to into the region, then it's not allowed because it's not going to be a refined region. We handle this by using the dominance information. That's the one which is given over here, entry, DOM, exit. And the second one is edge from within the region to below the region. That's handled by check by post dominance. There's another corner case that an edge to the exit block is allowed because it's a refined region. In an SCSE region, this wouldn't have been possible. So this is handled. You can always traverse all the basic blocks within the region, but then it wouldn't be linear again. So you take care to maintain the linearity by skipping the already detected regions and those regions which have failed those checks for being a region. So this is going to ensure that every basic block is essentially traversed exactly once. Coming to back edges you have two types, from within the region to above the region and from below the region to into the region. So the first one you identify by identifying all the innermost loops in which the basic block resides in. Once you've done that, then you check, is the loop coming from below or is coming from within? How do you do that? So if an entry block is residing in two loops, then you identify the innermost one and you store the information. And you do the same for the exit block. If both of them do not belong to the same innermost loop, that means they do have such a kind of loop. If they do belong to the same one, that means there is a back edge from below the region to above the region, which is allowed. So this algorithm is summarized over here. And this is the performance result for the same ladder graphs. And as you can see now, the new region pass is linear because it's not using any information of dominance frontier. And so the conclusion is that we've reduced the complexity of region info pass, and the number of refined regions detected still remains the same. So the future work that we are looking to explore is how to connect regions and loops better. Currently, we have the information of getting a loop for a region, but we do not have we do not have the information of loop for a region. We have region for a loop. So how do you do that? I would like to discuss. And doing an on-demand analysis of only the required regions. Yeah, that's the second one. And the third one is removing the redundant region pass in the new pass manager. Okay, thank you.